Hey, what's up guys, Gurman here, and today in this video we are going to install the Android Q on our OnePlus 6T. So if you don't know, OnePlus 6T is in the list of devices that can actually install the developer beta right now, and in this video we are going to do just that. Okay, so before we get started, I just want to let you guys know that according to my experience, this build is for sure not for daily use. So if you are the one you're thinking of installing this on their daily device, so yeah, I would surely tell you to reconsider your decision, because you may run into some major bugs like your SIM network not working, your Wi-Fi connection is not reliable anymore, and also the battery life was the worst hit in my case. So yeah, if you are the one if installing this on your secondary device, which I would recommend you to do, then it's a pretty good upgrade, because it's always good to actually experience the upcoming updates before it get released to the public. So yeah, let's go ahead and install this on our device.
Alright, so firstly what you have to do is go to this website. The link will be in the description down below, and then scroll down and until you find this, and click on download for OnePlus 6T. Once done, go to the file manager and make sure to place the downloaded package and the root of the storage. After that, go to the settings, scroll down to the system and touch on system updates, and then go to this settings icon, go to local upgrade and touch on this package and click confirm, and then enter your passcode. And there you go, the system update is now installing. Let it complete. Once complete, hit on reboot. After that, your phone will reboot, and there you have it, Android beta program. You will get that, and you can hit on OK and start setting up your phone. There you have it, Android Q beta on your phone. So yeah, first thing which you will notice after installing it on the first boot is that the things are quite messed up right now. Like the screen is a little bit zoomed, and also these icons are also misaligned, and some more bugs which may be uncommon for you, but yeah, this is really not for daily use.
So that's pretty much it. I will also be making a review video of the Android Q for the OnePlus 6T, but that will be after the final version or the open beta comes out, just because right now this version lacks a lot of features from the Android Q and Oxygen OS as well. This is just a standalone version of the Android Pie, you can say, and also the most buggiest operating system I have ever used. I will also be making a rollback video soon, because I know that many of you people who will install this even on their secondary devices, you are gonna make sure that you get to the stable version as soon as possible, because this is nowhere daily driver material, and also it is very buggy, and also the device also overheats a lot. So yeah, until then, thank you for watching. Talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.